Okay students, we will see factorization using identity 3. So this is identity 3, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. See, in first bracket there is plus sign and in second bracket there is minus sign. So your question will be in this format, LHS like. Okay, and you have to bring the answer in this form. Okay, now suppose this is the first question. There is square, but this square is not on the whole term, it is only on a. So your purpose will be to write this first term as a square. Okay, so 64 is a perfect square, so you can write it as 8a whole square, and 81 can be written as 9b whole square. Okay, now you compare the LHS part of this identity with your question. See, this is a square minus b square. Now answer will be like this, a plus b into a minus b. Fine. Similarly, the other one, this is 25a. The 25 is perfect square, it is square of 5. So you write it 5a whole square, and 9 is also a perfect square. 9 is 3 square of 3b whole square. Now compare the LHS part of the identity with your question. Both are same. This is a square minus b square. Now you write a plus b into a minus b. But if in any question, if you feel that this is not a perfect square, other one is also not a perfect square, then you take out something common. Okay, in this particular question I am finding 2 is common. 50 means 2 into 25 and 18 means 2 into 9. So 2 can be taken out common. Now what is left here? 25. And from here if 2 is taken out, 9 is left. Now you can write 25 as 5a whole square, and 9b square can be written as 3b whole square. Okay, listen carefully, this 2 is outside this square bracket. Okay, now 2 is also a factor, so it will be also written, this is a square minus b square. Now a plus b into a minus b. Fine. Let us see another example. Here also you will see this cannot be written as perfect square form because this b is extra. Here also it is b cube, means b can be taken out common from the two terms. Okay, b is taken out common. See, after that this is what is left, 64a square and 81b square. After taking out common, now the two numbers are perfect squares. Okay, now you can write 64a square as 8a whole square and 81b square can be written as 9b whole square. Fine. Again, whatever is taken out common, that is written outside this square bracket. Okay, because small brackets are already present inside that square bracket. Now this is a square and minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. This is question part and this is answer part. See one more example. Here a cube and b cube. Okay, so you know this should be square, not cube. So 1a and 1b is extra. From here also you have to take out ab common. Okay, now whatever are left, they are perfect squares. Okay, 25a square b square means 5ab whole square, and 49 means 7 square. Fine. Now you write them as RHS of the identity a plus b into a minus b. See one more question, one more problem. Here the second part has two terms. Okay, and both the terms are already in the whole square form. So no problem with the second part. It is very good that they are written in whole square form. Only the first part is not written in whole square form. So you have to write it as 8a whole square, and this part is already in whole square form. So you have to write as a plus b and a minus b. When minus sign is given there, that minus sign should remain outside this small bracket. Okay, and after that you remove that bracket, then minus into plus will become minus. That is the very important point to be taken care of. Okay, minus into plus is minus. Fine. When this plus sign is outside the bracket, then no problem, you can remove it. Okay, because plus into plus is plus, but here minus into plus is minus. Okay, I hope you have understood. Thank you.